Whenever you download your PayPal transaction report, it probably looks like this, with confusing type names, multiple currency fields, and no easy way to know which is income or expenses without going through each row one by one. And if you're doing that every month, that's a lot of time you could have spent on your business. So in this video, I want to show you how to make your spreadsheet do the work for you at the click of a button. And here is what the final result will look like. We've got them all categorized by cash flow type and a new tab with totals by the month. Now, if you want a ready-to-use version of this, I put together a free starter kit that comes with an automated cash flow tracker, and you can sign up for that at my website. Okay, back to the PayPal sheet. But before we talk about the method, I have an important caveat here. I'm showing you how it works with a sample transaction report from PayPal Personal. If you have PayPal Business, then the transaction report is probably different. So on to the practical solution. The idea behind this is pretty simple. We're using patterns in the data to assign the categories. So first and most importantly, you need to clean the spreadsheet. I'm going to go into more detail about this in 2 videos from now, but I'm going to do the most important ones I notice for the PayPal specific sheet. That means let's get rid of some of these unnecessary columns. Now let's get rid of some of these rows that we don't want. Next, I just want to make sure the dates are all dates, numbers are numbers, and I'm not missing something important like a cost. All right, now that we have that out of the way, we're on to the golden egg, the automation. This will categorize each transaction as either expense or income based on whether your amount is positive or negative. Then it'll add a month column. And lastly, it makes a summary table of income and expenses by month, with totals, of course. That means once you're finished cleaning the sheet, you go to Automate, find the script to categorize your PayPal, and then click on Run button. And ta-da! Now, if you want a copy of the code, you can download it for free off my website. And if you want even better automation that will work for any transaction report, that is exactly what I'm showing in the next video.